Watch my super easy to ingredients pumpkin dish. First, heat up some oil, add in your cubed pumpkin. Give a stir, make sure the pumpkin are well caramelized. Then, add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's it, your dish will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Cover your pot and turn the heat to lowest setting. Stir occasionally, make sure your pumpkin are covered with the sauce. Let the pumpkin cooks in its own steam, do not be tempted to add water. Ensure your pot is covered whole time. Garnish with spring onion or sesame seeds. This step is optional, you may omit this. I choose sesame seeds today for extra crunch. Check the pumpkin is cooked with a toothpick. You should be able to get through it easily. This dish is sweet and salty, the pumpkin is gooey and melt in your mouth. So, if you have busy schedule and you want a fast, healthy and delicious meal, try this. You gonna love it. Thanks for watching.